Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and in good health. This is the Perl basic language through which you can easily understand how to run Perl, what is the use of Perl, Perl in which system Perl can be installed. You can easily understand. So this is the first lecture. We will go further for it. Perl stands for Practical Extraction and Report Language. So we will move on next. Perl is a high level programming language. Means it is a cross platform language. It can be run on any system. It is developed by Larry Wall and first released in 1987. It stands for Practical Extraction and Report Language. Already I explained you. It is especially designed for text processing. First of all, it was designed for text processing for web applications, to design web applications and to change the text at there. So it was designed for text application, text processing. Perl is a stable cross-platform programming language. Here the word cross platforms means it can be run or it can be used on any system, on any software, on any operating system like Windows, Mac and Unix or Linux type, any system. It can be used on any system. Similar to shell script. Shell script run on the Unix systems. It is the language of in Linux. So it's similar to shell script and is designed to be flexible and easy to use. It is very handy, very easy to use, common language. You will learn easily. It is a high level scripting language, faster than shell or C shell, which are used for Linux systems, slower than C. Compiles at runtime, means there is no need to separate compiler, and it can be run on DOS like systems. It is like DOS like. It can be run on C command line, and even you can use Pedre Office. We will use Pedre Office later when we will run the commands, when we will actually use the programs. Available for Unix, PC, Mac, means on any system. That's why it's called cross platform language. Best regular expression on earth. Here the regular expressions are in other languages and in Perl. When you will compare the both languages, both or multiple languages, the regular expression of Perl are so easily you can understand that regular expression. Typical uses of Perl: text manipulation and processing, because it was first designed for text manipulation, web application, system administration tasks, computer graphics interface. It is designed also for computer graphics interface, but less compared to Java and C. Java and C are more used for computer graphics interface. Third step, or on third type of language, you can see CGI. It is used for CGI. Database interactions, different database interactions, access and manipulation. It is used for database interaction. Multiple database are designed in MySQL or Oracle. In which language database is designed, it interacts the different types of database. Perl is an interpreted language, which means that your code can be run as it is without a complication without a compilation stage that creates a non-portable executable program. It is easy language. Perl environment. Perl is available on a wide variety of platforms like Unix, Linux, Windows different variants. Solaris is also the Linux part. Macintosh. It is used on every type of on every type of operating systems. You can see a lot of operating system are mentioned, different Windows variants and different Linux variants and Macintosh. So there is no difficulty for using the Linux for using Perl on any operating system. Good things about Perl: it is free, it works on pretty much all computers. In previous slides you have seen that there are a lot of different operating systems mentioned, so it is used on all computers. It's easy to write. There are this is scripting type of language, also use object oriented as well as scripting types. It is easy, just like the shell operating systems. There are a huge number of pre-written scripts, cpan modules, called the different modules, which we call cpan modules, available for most common tasks. So already built-in scripts are available. You can download and place that modules on specific location of the Perl to complete your common or even difficult tasks. It allows you to develop programs in a short amount of time because it is easy and a scripting type of language. Basic loose type of programs are built in Perl, so it is not taking a lot of time, and already built-in modules are available. You can use that modules to Perl installation. The most up-to-date and current source code, binaries, documentations, news, etc. are available at the official website of Perl. So you can see the official website www.perl.organization is mentioned. You can download Perl documentation from the following site. Perl documentation website is given perl.perl.organization. You can download Perl from perl.organization, and you can download the documentation about the Perl. So use perl.perl.organization. Unix and Linux installation. You can easily, on Windows installation, you can easily download Perl and install it. Just like any other software you install, you should use the you can download Perl and install easily. On Unix installation, here are the simple steps to install Perl on Unix or Linux machine: through command, through downloading. Command is sudo apt-get install Perl. You should only use a single command to install Perl. It is the already present in Linux systems, so you just need to use single command on terminal, on Linux terminal: sudo apt-get install Perl. Your Perl will be installed. When you have installed Perl, you can check either Perl has installed or not. You should open the command line and type Perl-v. At the command prompt, type command prompt, either Windows command prompt, either Linux command prompt, which operating system you are using. You can type a single command Perl hyphen 5 or Perl hyphen V. V stands for variant. If Perl is installed, you should see something like this, like the given picture. In the given figure you can see Perl. This is the Perl variant. It gives you even the variant, which variant you have installed. So this is not a cumbersome task, it is very easy to handle. There are some basic concepts about Perl. Perl files extension is .pl, can create self-executing scripts. Self-executing scripts, for you can use Perl hyphen e and then printing the simple commands on screen. Can use system commands and command entry. Basic concepts are these: print stuff on screen, print stuff, printing stuff directly on the screen. You can use Perl hyphen e, print anything which you want to print, like hello world. So you can see in the running Perl program picture that to run a Perl program from the Unix command line. Unix command line, you should use Unix like Linux, etc. You can use Perl program.pl. You can even use ./program.pl if that program file will be present at the current location. You should use program.pl. Alternatively, put this shebang in your scripts. This line hash exclamation sign, then slash user.bin.perl, you have to mention at the start of Perl program in Unix if you are running your Perl in Unix systems, and run program directly through program.pl. If you add this line, shebang line, then you can directly use the program.pl at the current location. And if you explicitly want to print out on the screen, then you use Perl hyphen e, print hello world, or you can any print hello, how are you, which thing you want to print, you have to add in this command through this. Running Perl scripts, Windows, if you are using Windows, then download active Perl from active state and install it. Installing is just an easy thing in Perl. Just run the script from a command prompt, Windows command prompt, cmd, or you can even use the Padre Office. I will show you the practice, or currently I will inform you about the Perl scripting through Padre Office. Unix, put the following in the first line of your script. This is the shebang line, the path at which the Perl has installed. So run the script through even %sign Perl script name .pl. Also mention script name, the name of file which you want to execute through Unix system. Basic syntax of Perl are statements end with semicolon. Each line ends with semicolon, just like the other languages. It is also so easy. Comments start with hash, only single line comment. There are also multi-line comment which is start with is equal to cut and begin and end with is equal to cut. Variables, you don't have to declare a variable before you access it, because its variable are just like the shell scripting languages. Variables start with dollar sign with there are different data types and variables. You don't need to declare a data type before using the variable. For variables, you don't have to like C, you have to mention int a is equal to 10. There is no need to add int, you have to use dollar $a is equal to 10. You don't have to declare a variables type. Already mentioned you that there is no need to add the data type to mention the variable